If somebody could push through those tunnels, we could launch a direct assault on the enemy base. There's a room full of noids up ahead, Sarge. You go in and clear them out while I cover the rear. Incoming saucers! Take cover! The noids are coming over the bridge! Time to finish the job. Fall back! There's a tyhrranoid ship blocking the tunnel exit! Inform command that Outpost X12 has been secured. Hey, Sarge, over here!
What the?
Pretty cool, huh? It's called a warp pad. Great for running away. Here, I got an extra one.